Well, here's Playboy. This is not the final base coat of white. This is just kind of a, I'm going around, I was looking for a couple more spots that I still wanted to touch up again, like right there. So it still needs like a final sanding. This corner I wanted to work on a little, it's behind the leg, but I wanted to work on that a little bit more. But this is pretty much, I would say, I'm also trying to, even though you don't have to cover up the black, like, oh no, the black sees through, where you're going to cover it up with black again anyway. But again, I'd rather it just be gone that way, in case, let's say the stencil is, 100% match, but it's off by 1/8 of an inch. I don't want a shadow. So still working on a couple little spots, but overall, like I said, I just did one big base coat of white, just kind of trying to, hide stuff, kind of see what's going to shine through a little bit more. Kind of same thing over here with the, I wanted to hit those little dots again one more time, but that's pretty much, this has already had a full coverage of white. I haven't done that board. I'm not going to do that board, but I did like the wood that you can see on the inside of the head, like down by the transformer and stuff. That's done. I was going to say that's smoothened out. I just need to do kind of like, this is pretty much, this is to the point it just needs its final coating, be blocked and stuff. So that's where I'm at with that. One thing I did decide to change, I was painting the apron, but then I was talking to some guys that do powder coating for a living, and if I put 2 more hours into that apron, it'd be the same price to just powder coat it. So I'm going to take him some, the apron and a couple other miscellaneous pieces of metal, and I'm just going to have him powder coated. So, because it's, at that point, it's going to be a better quality and cheaper for the customer. So, which is all good. So that's about it. Luckily, that's the box from the CPR playfield. Works great as a cover. So I've already did kind of a base coat of satin black. That is satin. It's looking really glossy still at the moment, but just did some satin black on that stuff. That'll end up, that's just a base coat, because there's some, you can see some white kind of overspray kind of getting down in there a little bit, but that was more or less, like I said, just a base coat. So I'm not, whatever. Just so whenever I go to do the final coat, it doesn't take as many, Oh, yep, there's a little another nib. I want to fix that right there too. So I just saw that. No, that curves. So that's the carriage bolt. That's going to get shown probably. So I want to hit that real quick. But there you go. Quick little update on what's going on with Playboy. The CPR, as you saw, probably the CPR playfield did show up. The rails, the pink rails that go in the playfield, he's working on those this week. So I think he's finishing those up maybe this weekend. Because I sent those off to a guy that I've gotten other rails from, and that way he has a jig for Playboy now, and kind of add to his library of what he offers. So, but here we go. It's getting close. What I would like to do is later today have the base coat of white done. So that way next weekend I can do the black. Weekend after that, do the magenta. And then I might do weekend after that, just kind of do one step every weekend. I'm thinking about doing the whole thing in a satin clear. So, but I'm worried about it'll kind of like give it a dusty look, which I've kind of heard about. So I'll see how it looks, with after a couple coats. I'm using satin black, satin white, satin magenta, everything like that. But I was kind of thinking for extra protection, but then at the same time, I'm worried. I tested some stuff with it, and it kind of had a dusty, foggy kind of look to it, and I'm not sure I want that. Well, I definitely don't want that, but I don't want it to end up like that. That's the final result. But okay, here you go. Just basic, quick little update. So again, my goal is to be done with the cabinet by the end of August, and then easily jump onto the playfield. And then, the playfield should only take a couple weeks, but even if I take my time, end of September, which, like I said, he's on a 6-month. He wants it back in like less than 6 months. So I'd put me at like 2.5 or so, because the first half a month I was just collecting parts. But there you go. See you later.